Hey guys, welcome back. Quick Wisconsin Dells construction update here. I was filming it quick, so I have to duct tape this video back together with some voiceover. The first place that we're starting is over here at the Kalahari in the Wisconsin Dells. There's a large project that was accidentally leaked by Whitewater West and a couple other companies during IAPA. This is a large indoor water park expansion to the original Kalahari resort in the Wisconsin Dells. This will include a family water coaster, a enclosed boomerango slide, a kids area, and a potentially openable indoor water park. This will sit on this site right here, and I had boots on the ground parked right over here and filmed the current construction. The construction area is pretty massive. It kind of goes all the way from here to here, but I expect only really this small parking lot to be taken up by the actual water park itself. This is mostly just construction staging. We'll jump to that footage now. We got a pretty huge part of the parking lot closed off up here. Got some steel beams, got some land moving. Quite a significant portion of this parking lot is closed off. It's very interesting. Dang, look at that. I'm guessing this is where the pool will go. Dang. I don't want to walk too far back here. They sure do have a lot of sand moved out of the way. There's some big equipment over there. Look at that. I'm glad that the Kalahari is finally getting an expansion. I like this place. It's probably my second or third favorite water park here in the Dells. And their indoor slide lineup is pretty strong, and their outdoor slide lineup is okay. But I think with the addition of the slides that they're going to be adding, they're gonna probably beat the Wilderness for the best indoor water park in the Dells. But we'll have to see to find out. Now, I didn't think I'd have time for this, but I ended up having just about 15 extra minutes, and I jumped over to Skyland Ranch. This is something that I discovered via a Reddit post where Skyland Ranch, which is this outdoor FEC in Sevierville, Tennessee, which is kind of close to Pigeon Forge and a couple other resorts in Tennessee, they filed a permit to build a mountain coaster in the Dells, presumably along with another Skyland Ranch location. I had checked this site out back in November, and you can see not a whole lot was going on there other than staking, but there actually was a lot of stuff going on site. So check out that footage now. Here we are over here at the mountain coaster site where, dang, there's actually progress. It looks like the lift hill line might have been cleared. Looks like they've also flattened out the parking lot here. And there's a construction trailer on site. Man, looks like we'll be getting a mountain coaster after all. I haven't seen that the permits were cleared, but clearly they either have or they're going rogue. Honestly, it looks like they may have cut out the entire lift line or the entire route for the coaster. Pretty amazing. Sorry this video was so rushed. I had a very small amount of time to capture all of this footage, but expect more in-depth and interesting updates in the future. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.